Hello, everyone. What if I told you that you could build a full digital product business using only AI without any coding, design skills, or even hiring anyone? It might sound too good to be true, but in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create, design, and sell digital products that can make you money on autopilot. AI is completely changing the game for creators and entrepreneurs. It's opening up doors we never thought possible. With the right set of tools, you can literally build an entire business from the comfort of your own home, all powered by the magic of artificial intelligence. Ready to dive in? Let's go through it. Step by step. First things first, we need a winning product idea. This used to be the hardest part, but now it's simple. Just head over to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. Give me 10 profitable digital product ideas for 2025. Instantly, you'll get a list of fantastic ideas like Notion templates, comprehensive ebooks, social media planners, or even online courses. The key here is to pick one that you either understand well or feel you can easily improve using AI. For today, let's say we've chosen to create a social media planner. All right, now for the fun part, creating the actual product. You don't need to be a design genius for this. We're going to use tools like Canva's AI features or an amazing app called Gamma.app. Let's stick with Canva for this example. Since we chose a social media planner, you can jump into search for a template and then use their magic write feature to generate all the text, prompts, and content for the planner. It's like having a professional designer and copywriter right at your fingertips, helping you create a stunning product in minutes, not days. With our beautiful product ready, it's time to set up shop. Where do we sell it? Head over to a user-friendly platform like Gumroad or Payhip. These sites are perfect for creators. All you have to do is upload your digital product file. Set a fair price ID, recommend starting somewhere between $10 and $30. And then, you guessed it, use AI again. Ask ChatGPT to write a short, punchy, and persuasive description for your product page. Hit publish! And just like that, congratulations, your digital store is officially open for business. But a store with no customers is just a hobby. We need to get people to see our product. So, how do we market it? You guessed it, with AI. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write 5 catchy TikTok video ideas, or a week's worth of promotional captions for Instagram. But here's where it gets really cool. Take those ideas and plug them into an AI video generator like Pika Labs or Runway ML. These tools can automatically create short, eye-catching promotional videos for your social media. You can generate an entire marketing campaign without ever stepping in front of a camera. And that is exactly how you can build a complete digital product business, using AI from the initial idea, all the way to generating income. The absolute best part, once your product is online and your marketing is running, it can continue to earn money for you passively, 24/7. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. If you enjoyed this and want to discover more AI tools, business ideas, and side hustle tutorials, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.